In this video, we'll walk through the first step of creating a video in Crreo. This is where you'll choose your script mode, shape your video's content, and set up the sound and visual style. Let's start with the script mode. Crreo gives you two options: auto script and manual script. If you're starting with an idea or a simple outline, choose auto script and let Crreo turn it into a complete script. If you already have a finished script, you can go straight to manual script. Let's look at auto script first. Here, you can tell Crreo what your video is about and the key points you want to cover. You don't need to write the script yourself. The more context you share, the closer the script will be to what you have in mind. For example, let's say we want to create a beginner-friendly video about the aurora. On the right side of the text box, you'll find a tutorial icon that opens the Video Maker Guide whenever you need a quick reference. Next to it, you can undo or redo changes, copy your content, or open the full screen editor. And everything you write here is saved automatically as you type. There's no save button to look for. If you already have a script, switch to manual script and paste it directly into the full script box. Manual script uses the final text you provide instead of expanding it the way auto script does. Crreo also provides a formatting reference for manual scripts. Following that format helps Crreo generate the content you want more accurately. Once your script content is ready, click Select Style to set the direction of your script along with the sound and visual options for your video. This opens video options, organized into 3 tabs: Script, Audio, and Video. We'll go through them in order. Let's start with the Script tab. Everything in this tab applies only to auto script. If you're using manual script, Crreo will follow the content, language, and length of the script you provide, so these settings won't affect it. The first setting is duration. This tells Crreo how long the generated video should be, with options going up to 30 minutes. The maximum duration available to you will depend on your subscription plan. Next, you'll find Audience and Tone. Audience lets Crreo know whether you're creating for a general audience, more experienced viewers, or beginners. Tone controls how the script should feel. You can make it casual, formal, informal, creative, or humorous, depending on what best fits your content. If you'd like your content to be generated in a language other than English, enter the language under Change Language. For example, if you want the script in Spanish, simply enter Spanish. Next, let's move into audio settings. Under Default Voice, you can choose the narration voice for your video. Click here Sample to preview the available voices and find one that feels right for your content. If you're using a VoxU actor voice, you can also use voice style to guide the narration. Just describe how you want the voice to sound, including its emotion, pace, accent, and overall delivery. For example, you could enter Speak in a warm, conversational tone at a steady pace. This gives the voice a consistent direction across the video. If you'd like some help refining your instruction, click Enhance. Crreo will turn what you've written into a clearer, more detailed direction for the voice. You can review the enhanced version and make any changes you want. Next is background music. Crreo can also create background music for your video. Select Off if you don't need it, choose Auto to let Crreo set the volume for you, or select Quiet, Medium, or Loud. Now let's move on to video settings. Orientation controls the aspect ratio of your video. Horizontal, or 16:9, works well for widescreen content like YouTube videos, tutorials, explainers, online courses, and presentations. Vertical, or 9:16, is a better fit for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Style controls the overall visual look of your video. You can choose from the styles Crreo has already provided or select Custom Style and describe the exact look you want. For example, if you want your video to have a stick figure style, you can enter Stickmen under Custom Style. Next, we have Image Model and Video Mode. Image Model controls the quality of the base images Crreo creates for each scene. Video Mode lets you decide whether to keep each scene as a still image or turn it into a moving video clip. Choose images for still visuals, or select a Kine model to add motion. The model versions available to you will depend on your subscription plan. For the best overall quality, we recommend Kalo XL model for your images and Kine 3.1 model for your video clips. Transitions control how one scene flows into the next. You can let Crreo choose the transitions with Auto, turn them off with None, or keep the same transition throughout your video with All Same. The final option is Subtitles. You can turn subtitles off or place them at the top, center, or bottom of the screen. If you're using subtitles, you can also adjust their size and color. You can choose one of the available colors or create a custom color that better matches your video's visual style. Once everything is set, take a moment to review all your settings. When you're ready, click Add Characters in the top right corner to move on to the next step. And that's step 1 complete. See you in the next tutorial.